Detroit rap. Player haters get the axe, your finesse it lacks. See the words you speak can get you caught in the trap. Don't write your own raps, somebody else do that. It's word up. What it's all about. What it's all about.
Before we get on to this video, if you like what you see, make sure you support me on Patreon. Everything is very much appreciated. And also, if you want to request things for me to react to, movies, albums, songs, definitely make sure you check me out on Streamlabs. Both of those links are in the description. And with that being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out. Guys, I'm checking out Duke Ellington and his orchestra. This one's titled Take the A Train. The official video requested by Sean CT on Streamlabs. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this before, nor have I seen it. And yeah, that being said, let's go ahead and check it out from 1962. Let's check it out. Wait, I've heard, not this, but like I've heard a rendition of this. What's that? I was watching Sign of the Times, like the concert film, and like a rendition of this plays during like a little like horn section. It's pretty cool.
One of our big requests, Satin Doll.
Wait, what is this from? Is this like a movie? Like, I just kind of assumed it was from a movie, but I don't know. That was cool though. I definitely enjoyed that. Really just, jazzy and, super easy to listen to. But yeah, it was also very entertaining to watch, I guess, to a degree it was. But yeah, also, like I said earlier, with the whole Sign of the Times thing, it's kind of crazy just like being able to hear, that influence on that music. It's insane. Let me see, what was the name of that song? Now's the time. I think that's it. So crazy. See, this is why knowing the history of certain things is, really important. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into it later, but yeah, that was definitely cool, man. I really enjoyed watching that. If you guys enjoyed it as well, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.